Over the summer and right through the fall, we're all in search of meals that are quick, easy, and budget friendly. So to help you out, we're sharing a recipe that always earns rave reviews. In fact, it's typically the first dish to go. It must be because it's so different, colorful, and downright delicious. We begin by crumbling about 6 corn muffins. You can either bake these yourself or pick them up at your market's bakery. We'll layer half of these in the bottom of a large glass bowl. On top of that goes a layer of pinto beans that we've rinsed and drained, followed by a layer of chopped green peppers in our homemade ranch dressing. And it doesn't stop there. Some thawed corn goes on next, followed by chopped tomatoes, bacon, and the rest of the crumbled corn muffins. Right before serving, we finish it off with more dressing, some shredded Mexican cheese blend, and a handful of sliced scallions. If this doesn't say come and get it, then I don't know what does. It's colorful, it's tasty, and it feeds a crowd. And no one will ever know how budget-friendly and easy it is to make. To get the recipe for our Mexican cornbread salad, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a stacked fiesta way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm.